Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's PyLover136 here, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal. So, first things first, let's get the elephant out of the room. I only streamed one day last weekend. The reasoning is Sunday, when I went to get back on, the save data was overwritten, and I blame myself. Um, but yeah. So, save data got overridden, so I tried to put everything back to normal. Things aren't going to be exactly the same as they were before, um, and all that. But, yeah, I got back to the same part. I uncovered the same part of the map. Um, I'm going to go and uncover at least the other two. But, yeah, so just to get the elephant out of the room. Can I even go this? No, I can't. Tried to load the game, and so it said load new game, and I was like, I wasn't paying any attention, and so when they said load new game, I'm just like, yeah, that makes sense, I'll just go ahead and load my game, and then it erased my saved data, and I'm like, I 100% blame myself for all of this. Is that the whip making that noise? That was annoying. Right way? Yep. I'll just use the whip going through here to get a little bit more XP. Figure why not. But yeah, I tried to put everything back to the way that I had left it. But I'm not gonna sit here and lie. That's one of those things that's easier said than done. Let's see. But yeah, so I spent all the stream time that I had allotted getting my game back to this point. So that was fun. Alright, so this one won't break from this side. Let's just ignore that. We're just gonna go ahead and collect all the poop shards now. Might as well. We'll change over to this. Wow, got a hit in. Alright, I know they said that there were 82 left. You guys are kind of annoying. Just systematically go down the... Can I even go this way? Nope, that one's blocked off. I only have one more, probably think about. Something else. The worst part about going through here will be all the, yeah, little bitsy bits of enemies without collecting any more. There we go. That was a good little kill. Keep doing that. Alright. The point is to systematically go down this route. At least to the best of our abilities. Yeah, y'all can go away. Said, how rude can you be? There we go, that was another one. I'm trying to be careful, because... No, they're running me through my ammo. There we go. Oh, I didn't even see the big guy back there. Ain't got a whole lot of ammo left, and I only got... This death, ain't it? Haha! I'll take you out too, damn it. Let's say at least let me get the suck in. Oh man, I should have refilled ammo, shouldn't I have? Yeah. And I did get the suck cannon to level 2, so proves that progress is made. Oh. Huh. We missed one here. And we missed that there. Nice. Huh. So we missed a couple. Puts us at 20 from this first section, and we missed those couple twice. Wonder how I did that. Oh well, I think the hardest part of this whole thing is, in fact, finding them. Without, you know, dying. Of course, we're also using this as valuable XP grinding. feel like it's not hitting that guy. There's a soul. There's another one. Oh, these aren't small enough. These should be good. Oh wow, that was rude. That was real rude. I went over there and nothing happened, so I thought I was gonna have to go around, and then it's like, peekaboo. There's one over here. Oh, there's a Gadgetron here. Kind of like an intermediary area. Just, oop. Slow and then leave. Back to suck cannon. Almost, ooh. Almost where I want it to be. There it goes, suck cannon level 3. Not gonna tell me what it does better. That's fine, I guess. Oh, looks like it bounces more. Yo, what? I think I know where we're at. Yeah, according to this, we've looked through everything, although I don't know about that. I obviously don't have a lot of faith that we've looked through everything. We'll go forward and check out these edges, but right here, let's go and check out this corner pipe to the right. That looks clean. That looks fine. Nope. I guess we did get all of that. Well, I guess we just... Oh, wow. Guess we just get back to the top. And then we'll, look down some of these other spots. Looks to be a dead end over here. Nice clogged pipes. Up there. Wow. Look down the hole. This one's almost level 4 too. Nothing else. Doing this is a great way to level up guns. Alright, this is the last section though. And there we go. Level 4. Still don't want to tell me what the upgrade is. It should all have a different kind of upgrade. Lock on, probably. Enemies standing near their target are also struck with crackling arcs of electricity. Now that we have the lock-on mod, we can kind of look at things a bit more. Oh, there's another one. That guy came out early. And he died early. Ugh. Dead end. Not being followed, that's the important part there. That's and important. Jesus. Yep, this is a bad place to be. That'll take us... Oh, never mind. I was about to say, there's a bunch of them behind me. Alright, so this from the other side should... That one might be on this side. Go back to the Nitro Storm. There's another sewer crystal. This one's probably not on this side, huh? It is! Oh, that's 30. haven't been in this tunnel yet. It's fine that way, not fine that way. Oops. There's that one. There is another one. Don't see anything down there. That's back here. I never know which one's gonna not happen if I walk up to it or not. I just kind of assume that none of them are gonna work right. Just inconvenience me the most. Oh. Plasma whip then. Did not realize I ran out of ammo. Although maybe I should, because we are kind of just holding straight. Just another pipe up there, huh? Well, it doesn't seem to activate from this side anyways. So I'll need to go all the way around. These guys are everywhere. I'm gonna have to use the shock blaster to fight this guy, though. Okay, shock cannon. $36. I feel like I am missing something somewhere. I wonder if these enemies just keep spawning. I mean, we've made a good, like, what, at least 15k just killing these guys. There's only one little section of the map I haven't uncovered. We're missing a lot of crystals. I mean, compared to what they said there are, I don't know where they'd put them all. Alright. Well, there's one behind that door, quote unquote. Yep, 1, 2. Puts me at 38. I was kinda hoping I could get 40, but I don't really have anywhere else to look right now. Let's go and check the bridges and stuff, I guess. I mean, that being said, I obviously am missing some. I'm surprised he could hit me from there. Last bridge. Okay. Yeah. Can't really fight it. I was kind of hoping there was gonna be something. Yeah, there are 44 left to find. And all I could think is how? Might be something we can do about it on a later time. Because it just might be somewhere else that I can't quite get to yet. These games are good for that kind of stuff. And I think the bridge will only take the different sections of the bridge. There is no like secondary or tertiary layer. Try it just to find out. That's one. It puts me over here. Might be missing something, but I think that's fine. We've got other things we can do, and we can always come back later when we have other things. So, I say we head on out. We'll have to come back anyways. Not entirely sure, but pretty sure there's an achievement associated with it. Oh, we can just teleport to Slim, huh? Alright, well. Back to the Starship Phoenix.